Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna see basically what I do after I do hair washes. So you're gonna see some tricks and the products to get your frizzy hair tamed up, well, lustrous, and how to control your hair fall. Like for all the hairs, I have fine hair, but still. So this is my hair. It's little dampened, but it's not completely dry. And I just use knitted towel for tying up my hair. Now we are going with the heat protectant spray. We're going to spray a very little bit of heat protectant. We're not going to style up your hair with any of the curlers or straighteners, but still I'm going with, because I'll be explaining that later to you guys. And just spread it into your hair. Now we are going with the oil replacement from Pantene. Take a teeny tiny bit of that, like so, because we also will be going a little bit extra more of oil replacement in later video as well. So warm it up with both the hands and take it into your entire hair bits like so, and you have to get that into the split ends as well so that your hair grows along. So now I'm using the Vega hair dryer and separating the nozzle out of that. I'll be showing the blow drying technique in another video. We have two temperature settings, that is normal and heat air, which I mentioned there. So I'm gonna on this and put that. So now I'm just going to dry up my hair as usual, but I have a little bit of explanation to it, guys, so please keep on that watching. So what I'm doing is, why I have applied the heat protectant is that even that is normal hair passing it through my hair, but it just has a hot hair a little bit, and that is why I use heat protectant. And make sure this nozzle always sucks your hair, so keep that difference with the hair and make sure it is a little bit out of your hair. It sucks your hair, guys. Please be cautious about that, and make sure your crown area is fully dried, because you know it's the place where it's always dampened. So I'm just spraying it on, drying it actually, so into the entire hair and using the clips, and I'm gonna section this out. So make sure you section according to your hair. This is my hair, which I usually section it, like I separate the crown area, and the rest of that I'm gonna divide it into equal parts. So just put that clip. Now I'm just taking the hair, combing it. It's literally make sure you just tangle, tease it or detangle, whatever it is. After you come out of your hair wash, your hair is literally a lot of tangles it has. So make sure you just comb it very slowly, because it's dried but still it's weekend stage, guys. Your hair is still weekend even after it is dried. And I'm using this oil replacement again so that it just spreads evenly, and make sure you put that into the split ends as well. And the crown area is where you have a lot of tangles, and you need to put that in mind, that you have to be very carefully, slowly, so that you won't get any hair fallouts. So now I'm going to use the shine spray from Toni and Guy, and this is a very good spray for your daily wear, guys. I mean, for the girls who really go out. So it just controls the frizz a little bit, and also it just gives a shiny lustrous hair. And I'm just going with the hand itself, because I don't believe in sprays mostly, so that is why I'm just going with my hands, and mostly on the areas of my crown, because that is where your fine hair, like small hair, tends to lift up and show it up to you. So I'm just going with that, and this is the complete hair of how it just looks. It controls the frizz almost, I would just say. Don't go for a lot of product of these shine spray, because it just makes your hair oily too. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and the skincare routine will be up sooner. So stay tuned for this channel. We'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.